Ever thought of going abroad? Maybe studying in the world's top universities? Well, in this video we're going to show you 5 different platforms of how you can do that. So let's begin. So top first platform on internet is edX or EDX, where you can find thousands of different courses, all from top universities around the globe, that you can join or enroll in. So if you just open the website, do you see different courses by subject, or if you just go down and it shows you all different subjects on courses they have. So if you just click on language, for example, it takes us to all the language courses they have. For example, IELTS, TOEFL. You can go through more categories. For example, let's go to architecture. And I personally have enrolled in many different courses over the last few years, and one of my favorite is the Architecture Imagination from Howard X. If you just click on any course, it gives you a brief introduction of what the course is about, and if you just click on enroll, you can enroll to the course, you can join the course. So I was enrolled to many different courses on edX in the past, and many of them are expired now, and some of them are still running. And if I just go to one of those courses that I found the best, was Global History of Architecture. This course is from MIT. This is now archived, so you can just click on this course and start the course. Here you can just go through many different chapters or weeks this course has. Another great platform is Courseraorg, and it also have many different courses, and few of them are from Google. So you can just click on export different courses and go through different categories. So let's go to one, let's select computer science, Java. So there's many different courses on Java. Let's go to an introduction about Java. So this course actually starts in 22nd April. So you can just click and to enroll this course. So number 3, it is called Swayam. It is an Indian website, a government website, and it has all different courses from many different Indian colleges that you can just explore. So if I just click on course catalog, click on all. So these are the different courses they have from all different colleges around India, and you see they have these sort of coordinators, like this course is NCT approved or AICTE approved. So if I just click on one, so here it gives you a very brief introduction about the course, and you can join this course by clicking on join. So at top 4 is Futurelearn.com. It is one of the best websites for all different courses that you can join. If I just click on subject, click on history, and there are many courses from all different universities. You can just click on any one of them and you can join the course for free. Or you can just click on courses and go for a short courses and check out many different courses from here that you can enroll in. So at number 5 is Allisoncom. It is also another good website for online courses, and they have many different categories. They already have this course on what you can study about coronavirus, what you need to know. And from here you can just start this course. You see there are 3 modules and they have different topics. You can complete this course in 1 to 2 hours. So that's a short course. So definitely, of all those many things that you can do in the lockdown period, it is very worthy that you actually join a course online and study through it. So if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.